If you were to ask us which industries need our agitators, we would answer, which don't. If you were to ask us which of our propeller models fits which application, we would answer, what are your requirements? If you were to ask us what differentiates us, we would answer, we listen to appreciate your needs, because listening is at the foundation of everything we do. Of understanding, of developing, of our enthusiasm. Our enthusiasm is unquestionably the defining characteristic of our company. Enthusiasm for our product, which is why we manufacture almost 100% of our products in-house at our state-of-the-art site in Sulzberg in the south of Germany. Enthusiasm for our environment. Enthusiasm for our customers. That's why we provide a personal service to our global customer base. Enthusiasm upholds our values. We value honesty and openness. We treat each other with respect and promote responsibility from person to person on equal footing. So, if you were to ask us what our customers are enthusiastic about, we would answer, we make the difference. Zuma, we solve and move with enthusiasm.